Dear friends, I am Parvinder from West Highlander and I welcome you all in this video about New Zealand study visa, in which I will be speaking about one of the queries which we are receiving from study in New Zealand students. The query is that can they reapply for their New Zealand study visa if they have been refused? The students are also interested to know about the chances of visa success if they reapply. In this video, I will be speaking about both these queries. So friends, keep watching for complete information. If you are an applicant whose New Zealand student visa has been refused, then you can reapply for your study in New Zealand visa application. Yes, it is possible to reapply and get your visas if you fulfill the requirements and can address the concerns of the case officers. While reapplying, international students must take care of 2 points. The first one is there any change in their circumstance? The second one is, do they have solid explanation and justification for the concerns the case officer had regarding their application? If you are able to justify the concerns of the case officer, then there are chances that your visa application could be successful. In order to get your New Zealand study visa, there are certain requirements which must be met by students. These requirements are categorized into academic requirements, funds requirements, income proof requirements, your ties to your home country requirements. If you have any gap in your profile, then the requirement of having justifiable explanation for that. These are few of the examples of the requirements which must be met. If the students are unable to meet these requirements or they do not attach sufficient documentation which suggests that they meet these requirements, then their visa application could be refused. I would like to quote certain examples here to make it more clear. Let's say that you are an applicant who applied for his study in New Zealand application and your visa was refused. The refusal reason states that in your statement of purpose you could not justify your choice of course as well as the career outcomes you expect after the completion of the course. Now this kind of refusal may be addressed by attaching a strong statement of purpose. Students must attach a well-drafted statement of purpose which must include certain things which could address the concerns of the case officer. These points could be why you have chosen this particular course, how this course is relevant to your current academic or any work experience you may have, what is the English requirement you have to successfully complete this course, what are the funds you have to complete this course, the funds for your cost of living, what are the ties in your home country, what kind of jobs could you get after completion of this course, what kind of companies could hire you, and what is the situation in your home country which would motivate you to return once you successfully complete your course. So, attaching a well-drafted statement of purpose could be a solution to this kind of refusal. Another example I would like to quote is of a student who may have applied for their student visa and got refusal based on their work experience. The case officer was not satisfied with the documentation of your work experience and could not verify. Now, to address this kind of refusal, the applicants must give a detailed explanation in their statement of purpose. Along with this explanation, they must attach the verifiable documents which are accepted by Immigration New Zealand about their work experience. The applicants may attach work experience documents like your experience letter, your pay slips, your bank account statement where the salary is being credited, your appointment letters, any appraisal letters you may have got. These are few of the examples of the documents which may be attached with your visa application. Another refusal reason may be regarding your funds. The case officer may have concerns that you do not have enough funds for your tuition fee as well as cost of living. If you are able to address the concerns of the case officer, then you may reapply for your New Zealand student visa and there are chances that the application could be approved. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. For any query you may have about study in New Zealand, please contact West Highlander. We are a team of experienced and expert counselors who can help you throughout the process. Thank you.